Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today I have a top tip for you about tearing paper. I know, can you believe I'm going to be tearing cardstock? I am. I want to show you something. Do you see how this cute little torn cutout has a white border around it and this one does not? I want to show you how to make sure if you want that white border, you'll get it, or if you want the solid border, you'll get it. Let me show you how that works. So here I have a couple of cutouts, and let's say on this one, I want to have that white edge. Let me show you what you need to do. To get the white edge when you're tearing the page, or to get any kind of distressed looking edge like this one where it's kind of two-toned like that, you want to tear the paper toward you. Do you see how that's leaving that white edge as I tear it toward me? That is how we get that color or that extra layer of tear, right? Tearing it toward us. If you want it to be a cleaner looking tear and you don't want that kind of extra page there, you're gonna want to tear away from you. Let me show you what I mean. So here, if I tear this paper away from me, you'll see that I'm not getting that white edge. I'll bring this up where you can see it too. But actually, I'm getting the paper or the design all the way to the edge. So, see how I've got the design all the way to the edge, no white edge. If I flip this over, you'll see where the white edge is. You see? That's the difference. So if you want to get that white edge or that kind of two-toned edge, make sure you tear the paper towards you. If you want a cleaner edge that is the color all the way to the edge, make sure you tear away from you. It's just preference. And I'll show you here again on these two because this is a really good example. On this guy, I tore the paper toward me. And on this guy, I tore the paper away from me to the back. And that's how you can get the style of tear you want. Isn't that cool? Some of you know that, like that's secondhand for a lot of people. But I remember the first time I realized that it mattered which way I tore. And I was like, are you kidding me? All these years I've been like, why can't I get the pretty paper tears that other people have? And that is why. So that is tearing paper tip number 1. I got some more for you coming up. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.